So over here you can see that I have a design, and let's say what I want to do is I want to go around and then apply out a brand kit to this design. Then what I can do is I can go around onto brand kit over here. And over here you can see that my brand is an option, so you can simply go around and click right here and that brand will be applied over here, as you can see. So it affected out certain elements right here in this design, but not everything, as you can see. But there may be other designs right here. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and click on this right here. And in this case, you can see that the major colors of the design are from the brand kit itself. So over here, you can see that in the design idea, this is what you have. If I were to go around and click right here, then it'll shuffle out the colors, as you can see as I click right here. And then you can see from the brand kit, you can go around and shuffle this out right here, just like this. So if I were to go around over here, then you can also go around and edit out the brand right here. And then you can go around and change around the color as you like right here, just like this. So let's just go around and change it to blue, let's say, for example, right here. And then you can preview out the brand kit and press save right here. And the new brand kit will be applied right here, just like this, as you can see. You can also see that there's some suggested styles right here, which are like pre-existing brand kits, and you can go around and click right here and they will be applied over here, the fonts and everything, as you can see as you click on this right here. And you can shuffle out the colors over here just like this as well. So that is how you can go around and then you'd use and modify out the brand kit that you have inside of Microsoft Designer. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe